Hi, today I finally can show you the requested video about Kimono Manner. For those who are here for the first time, my name is Billy Matsunaga and I'm a fully trained and certified kimono teacher and stylist. This channel is a channel about kimono and kimono fashion and kimono culture, kimono history, as well as sometimes a little about the place where I'm living, Kumamoto. So if you like this, I hope you click the subscribe button and look forward to some more videos from me. Kimono Manner is an often requested topic and I often get a lot of questions about it. And although I have learned this in my kimono school and I also had to take a test for this, I would still not say that I am very good at it. You kind of master it when living in Japan, so when you're living outside of Japan, don't put too much pressure on yourself because it's really hard to master. And I still want to be honest with you, I'm still not confident about it because it's just not how a foreigner would usually move. And even most Japanese don't really know how to do it right. If you're Japanese and watch this video and you sometimes don't like how I show it, just skip the video or just be nice because I'm a foreigner as well and I think we are all not perfect. The highest rule of kimono manner is never show too much skin. So for example, like I just did this. This is like the worst thing you could ever do because it shows half of your arm and it also shows what you're wearing under your kimono. To avoid this, you usually would hold the sleeve like this. This looks also much nicer when you would do this, but to be honest, when you go out with friends in your casual kimono and you're just gesturing and talking a lot, who cares? When you are at a formal occasion like a wedding ceremony, like I was by myself just last weekend, and I have to talk in front of people. Yes, I had to give a speech there. Then I would do things like this because everybody's focusing on you and you want to show that you are used to a kimono. But when it comes to daily life, it shouldn't bother you that much. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Sitting down in a so-called seiza. Slide over the top layer of your kimono with your right hand from left to right to avoid wrinkles, and the kimono won't open up. Let your knees reach the floor while your toes are still standing. Place your feet on the floor and set your butt on your heels. Slide with your hand over your butt while sitting down to avoid wrinkles, and do not sit too deeply into the seat. The napkin can be tucked between obi and kimono. Make sure that it covers your lap nicely. When you reach out for something, hold the sleeve with your free hand so they won't end up in sauce, soup, cream or other things. When going upstairs, hold the right open side of your kimono off the height of your thigh so the kimono won't open up. To make sure not to step on your hem, lift it while holding the kimono with the right hand. There are 3 ways to bow in Japan. All of them can be done while standing and while doing seiza. They are different in intensity of your emotions as well as formality. In this video, I have given them some names to distinguish them easier and to give you a sense of when and how they are used. Aisatsu means greeting in Japanese. This bow expresses a slight "oh thanks" when you receive a comment or when someone passes something on to you. Or also a casual hi to someone who is not your conversational partner. Your hands stay in the center of your waist and you nod slightly. the yoroshiku from yoroshiku onegai shimasu, which means nice to meet you or literally be nice to me. This is a more formal bow. You use this when thanking someone deeply, introducing yourself for the first time, or asking for a favor. You lay your hands on your lap and bow in the angle of about 45 degrees. Gomen nasai means I'm sorry, and this is what this bow is only used for. As long as you're not committing a crime, you will never need this. Put your hands on your knees and bow in an angle of 90 degrees. And here the same bow is in seiza. The aisatsu. Let your fingertips touch the floor right in front of your knees and bow slightly. Form a triangle with your hands in front of you, bend your elbows and bow with an angle of 45 degrees. Dogesa is the real Japanese name of this way to bow and symbolizes complete submission. Asking someone to bow a dogesa is the most disrespectful thing to do. If you still ever would have the urgent to do a dogesa, lay lower arms and elbows on the floor and also let your forehead touch the ground. When you stand up from seiza, you first put up your toes and let your butt rest on your heels. Then you crouch and proceed standing up. I hope this video helped you and I wish you so much fun when going out in your kimono. Don't forget to subscribe or comment or leave me a thumb up, because this would really help me to show my videos to much more people and to spread awareness of Japanese culture and kimono over the whole world. And I talk to you in my next video. Bye!